To connect Google Pixel Watch 3 into your phone, first of all, you will have to click and hold on the crown control button to turn on your watch. So it will actually take a few seconds until the Google logo pops on the screen, and now we can release. In this time, you can go into the Google Play Store on your Android device, and you will have to search for the Google Pixel Watch application. When you find it, you will have to just click on the installation button, and after a few seconds, we will be able to continue with this pairing process. So it's actually available for Samsung, Pixel, Oppo, basically any other device that you are using, all Android smartphones. Now, you will have to just open this application, and right now you will have to accept. And when you open this application, you will be able to set up your new watch. So click continue. And right now, all you have to do is just to basically select your Pixel Watch 3 from the list. But if it's not here, you can check if you enable the Bluetooth on your phone. So click on the Pixel Watch 3. Now it's starting pairing, so we have to accept this pairing request on our phone. Right now we can sign in into the Google account, so click on the right bottom corner. And right here you can use the same account that you are using on your phone, but also you can click here and add another account, or if you are using multiple accounts on this device, then you can simply switch between them. So that's your choice. Right now we can copy every Google account to your watch if you want. I'm gonna do this. You have to use your screen lock method. And now, as you can see, we are signing in with our current Google account into the Google Pixel Watch 3. Now we've got the terms of the service. I can recommend you to unselect usage and diagnostic reports. You can enable location. You can enable this backup of your watch. And when you scroll all the way down, we have to select I agree in the right bottom corner. And there's the last connection process. Right now, we've got information about the limited warranty. We have to scroll down and click continue in the right bottom corner. And now it's actually getting some information. Now I don't want to restore this device from my backup. I click here, I'm gonna click here, and now we can set the watch orientation. If you are wearing this on the left or right wrist, and where is the crown control, on the left or the right side when you actually put it on your wrist. So it actually depends how you actually wear this device. Also, you can adjust the straps if you want, this short instruction. Click continue in the right bottom corner. You can also connect into the Google Fitbit right now. If you don't want to do this, you can click not now and do this later. Click more, click continue. Now you can set up your Google Assistant by clicking here. You can tap to turn on, click next. You can enable Hey Google. Just keep tapping all the time in the right bottom corner until everything will be set up. Right now we can set the lock screen. So in my case, I would like to get this simple pattern. We have to input it for the first time and then for the second time. And right now we can also set the Google Wallet. So if you are gonna pay with this device, you can set it up right now, but you can also do this later. Everything that you are gonna skip, don't worry, you can do this later. So if you want to quickly just wear your device and go running or something, then you can just skip almost everything and set it up later. And as you can see, right now our watch is ready, so you can click down and there it is. Right now we are successfully connected. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.